Hey guys, welcome. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to share with you the best WordPress SEO plugins you can use for 2017 and beyond. I use these tools myself to gain first page ranking for various different competitive keywords. Later on in this video, I'm going to share with you my number one SEO tool that I would recommend out of them all. I'm Brian from WP Multiverse, and without further ado, let's get to it. So the first plugin that I would recommend everyone to use is a Google Analytics plugin by WebDoradoo, if I've pronounced that correctly. So they've got a free option, so you can try it for free and you can use it for as long as you want. It will give you a lot of the basics information that you could want and need, but if you go for the paid option, you get stuff like custom dimensions. If you run, say for example, a multi-authored site and you'd like to see which one of your authors are bringing you the most visitors, then custom dimensions is a way to do so. Also, as it mentions, you get the e-commerce tracking report, Google AdWords, AdSense, and many more. So this is the first plugin I'd recommend. Okay then, now let's go to my second yet favorite SEO tool that I use to gain millions of visitors across various different websites in which I own, and that is SEMrush. If you're not using SEMrush, I suggest you to join up now. It's free. You get 10 requests as standard, but if you use the link that I'll be putting in the description below, it'll give you 14-day free trial to the full tool. Now with this tool, if I bring up my logged in account, so once you log in, it will look something like this. It might seem a bit intimidating, but it's an excellent tool. It gives you stuff as domain analytics to track backlinks. It also allows you to see where your competitors are advertising, and it quickly lets you find high traffic keywords that your competitors are using to gain a ton of traffic. So for this video and also for the article that we've written, I've done a quick search for the best SEO plugin just to gauge what sort of terms users like yourself are using. And as you can see, it gives me a few related keywords that I might want to use, and it also gives me the search volume. And if you look down here as well, you can see the organic results. So if you was to type in this keyword here in Google, best SEO plugin for WordPress, you'd see that WP Beginner is ranking number 1, followed by Source WP, a few others. And here we are, WP Multiverse in 11th place. And in the next coming weeks, I'm pretty sure this will move well onto the first page. So it's just at the top of the second page here, ranking 11th. Okay. And sorry, just whilst we're here as well, let's have a quick look. So for example, if we was to click on this listing here, it'll give us a few valuable insights on why this article's ranking so well and what other keywords it's ranking for. So straight away, what pops out to me is that it's got 98 backlinks pointing to this URL, which is, I'd probably say, the main reason why it's ranking number 1. So with a bit of link building, I'm confident that I can get our posts to number 1. And it also gives you the websites that's linking to that URL. So we can see a few here. Okay. And also here it tells you whether the links followed or no followed. And you can see the majority is actually followed, which is the best. Okay. Another quick tip, you can currently, this is searching the Google US, you can search UK Germany and so on, France, etc., etc. And as you can see here, there's 115 different countries in which SEMrush covers. It's one of my favorite tools by far. And whenever I'm creating an article, the first place or the first thing I checked is SEMrush to get all my SEO ideas. So whilst we're on WP Beginner, let's have a quick search of the domain and let's see what SEMrush shows. Okay, let's delete that there. Okay, so I can see that this site's very popular, and it's saying that if I was to buy the traffic, the sort of traffic that it's getting, I'd have to pay a whopping $731,000 per month to get a similar traffic. Well, the same traffic pretty much. And also we can see that it's got a ton of backlinks. And here it shows us some of its top performing keywords. So we can see that it's ranking for WordPress login, how to start a blog, error establishing database connection, and many more. And what's also cool is it gives you a few of its competitors here. So we got wpmudiv.org, Elegant Themes, and a few others. And we can see that WP Beginner is actually doing some paid advertising. So this is by far my favorite tool, and I don't create anything or start anything without checking it out, SEMrush, and I'd advise you to do so. Just a quick reminder, if you click the link below in the description, you'll get that 14-day free trial of the pro account, so you are able to access the full feature for 14 days. Okay, moving on. So number 3 on my list is, let's put it up, it's Yoast SEO. And if I'm honest with you, whenever I'm starting a new site or blog, the first plugin I install is Yoast SEO. There's a few others in which you can use, but Yoast SEO is pretty simple and easy to use, and that's the number one reason why I use them myself. I'm sure similar other tools does the same thing, like XML, sitemap, meta title, meta description, and so on. So quickly moving on, the 4th tool on the list is SEO friendly images. And this is a great tool because it saves you a ton of time. So if you're not aware, Google's not able to fully understand images yet. They're getting very close with their machine learning algorithm, but for the most part, they haven't fully mastered how to actually understand what images. So there's this thing called alt text, alternative text, which you basically add to every image which you upload, which explains to Google what your image is about. It's also great for accessibility as well. So definitely check out SEO friendly images. This plugin simply automatically takes the title of the image and adds that as an alternative text. And last but not least, all-in-one schema.org rich snippets. That's the 5th plugin I'd recommend. And with this plugin, you're able to display rich snippets in the search engine. For example, you can see these star rating here. It's showing the reviews. It's, for example, if you was reviewing a movie, you could include that the movie lasts an hour and 20 minutes. If you was doing a food blog, you could add the calorie count, so your users are quickly able to scan for the important and key information that they need right in the search results. So all-in-one schema.org rich snippet is the last tool I'd recommend. And there's a few other tools that I use as well, but to mention everything here in this video, we'll be here for an hour or so. So if you want to find out the other 20 plus plugins that I'd recommend as well and that you'd like to consider, I'd suggest going to WP Multiverse and just type in SEO in the search box, and you should find this post here, best WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, leave any comments in the description below, and head over to WP Multiverse to get your free WordPress toolkit, which has a ton of valuable information and plugins that I use to grow all of my websites. And that's it. Thanks again. Bye.